What are some of the most common data quality issues that you see in CRMs that quietly break AI performance?
Yeah, that's a great question. And so when trying to maximize your AI efficiencies, right? And obviously we're going through this evolution of, going from direct engagements to digitalization and then ultimately to just mass scale. So it's the same issues that ultimately occur even in those engagements. So you're talking stale contact data, right? So people that have changed jobs over the course of say last week, over the past 6 months, 12 months, you get those false positives, right? Engaging with the wrong person at the wrong company, but ultimately using the eyeball test, it looks complete. You don't have that context, right? If you're missing behaviors or activity data in ensuring that saying, hey, are they in fact the decision maker? Are they engaging in the right channel? And then ultimately duplicate records. I can't tell you how many times we've seen the time and time again where because you're not updating your CRM appropriately, you're actually duplicating the efforts and putting the same person in different nurture tracks based on those duplicate records with let's say incorrect data. So really it's just exacerbating the problem. Obviously, with the rollout of CRMs and marketing automation tools and other go-to-market tools, say 10, 15 years ago, yeah, you still run into those issues, but obviously with AI, it's only exacerbating the problem. So really making sure that you're kind of honing in on those respective areas. And one thing that's incredibly important is that privacy data, right? Do you have the right consents? Do you have the ability to even reach out to that person, right? So knowing not only who to reach and how to reach out to them, but also who not to reach out to, whether it's unsubscribed or things like that in the past. So you got to make sure that you're incorporating that into
Great.
your outreach as well.